Hello, in this video I would like to discuss about the location of Caspian Sea. So Caspian Sea is located in between Europe and Asia. This is a very important water body because this is the largest saltwater lake on the whole earth, and this is sea-like. Though this is sea-like and it is also called the largest saltwater lake, you can neither put this under a lake nor under a sea. And as this does not pour out into any ocean, you can't call it a sea. And as this is very huge in its depth and its volume, you can't put it into a lake. So for this reason, a special formula is there for distribution of Caspian Sea's resources, considering it as neither lake nor sea. So there is a special formula. It is a special kind of water form that is declared in the year 2018. So this is a brief introduction about Caspian Sea, and the resources that this Caspian basin has got are very costly and hugely important resources. They are hydrocarbons, oil and gas reserves, and a fish species called sturgeon fish. So sturgeon fish makes up a very important delicacy and a costly delicacy for which this basin is famous for. And we have some rivers and the countries that are bordering Caspian Sea, of which we'll be seeing now. So to have a rough mapping of Caspian Sea, this Caspian Sea is located in between Europe and Asia. So to have a rough picturing of it, this would something look like this. So Caspian Sea is located in between Europe and Asia, Europe on its west and Asia on its east. Now we'll see the countries that are having the border or bounding Caspian Sea. On its northwest, Caspian Sea has got Russia on the European side. So here there is Russia, and on the northeastern side, Caspian Sea has got Kazakhstan. So I've also given these countries in the listing here. So Russia, Kazakhstan, and below Kazakhstan and on the southeastern side of Caspian Sea, there is Turkmenistan. So the northeastern country is Kazakhstan and southeastern country of Caspian Sea is Turkmenistan. And on the southern side, this has got a country that is Iran. So Iran on its south, and on the southwestern side, this is a country that is Azerbaijan. So Caspian Sea has got these 5 countries having direct border with it. The Russian country on northwest, Kazakhstan on the northeast, and Turkmenistan on the southeast, Iran on the south, and Azerbaijan on the southwest. So these are the 5 countries. Now we'll see there are so many rivers that go into Caspian Sea. We'll see few important rivers that pass into Caspian Sea. So the first one is Volga River. So Volga River basically is a river of Russia. So this is a Russian river, European river. So this Volga River flows into Caspian Sea and ends there. And also there is one more river, that is Terek. So Terek River is also present in Russia, but this is little south to Volga. So this also pours out into Caspian Sea. So Volga and Terek are 2 important rivers, European rivers present in Russia that end up into the Caspian Sea. And also we have one more river, that is Ural. So Ural River is from Kazakhstan. So this is a river of Kazakhstan on the northeastern side of Caspian Sea. So this Ural River flows into Caspian Sea. So we have 2 rivers from European side, that is from Russia, and 1 river from Kazakhstan, that is on Asian side. So these are the 3 major rivers that flow into Caspian Sea. So we'll have a brief revision of what we have seen right now. So Caspian Sea is present in between Europe and Asia. So this is neither a sea nor a lake. So all the resources of a lake will be distributed among the bordering countries in terms of the equal distribution. So in terms of dividing the resources into equal contents, they will be distributed to various countries. But whereas for a sea, we have a treaty called UNCLOS, so which follows the law of seas. full form of it is UNCLOS, United Nations Convention on Law of Seas. So under UNCLOS, whatever UNCLOS fixes for a country out of a sea to take, they have to take. So this depends on the coastline of that particular country, to how much extent they must have authority over the sea. So Caspian Sea does not fall under this lake formula or does not fall under this sea formula. So this has a unique formula that is developed in the year 2018 by all the countries that are bordering it, thereby ending that 2-decade long dispute. So by this, a new formula has emerged under a treaty. And by this we'll see various countries that are bordering Caspian Sea. So the first one is Russia on the northwest, Kazakhstan on the northeast, Turkmenistan on the southeast, Iran on the south, and Azerbaijan on the southwest. So these are the 5 countries bordering it, and the resources of this are distributed according to a treaty, whatever they have decided there. So the 3 important rivers that are flowing into Caspian Sea are Volga and Terek from Russia, and Ural river from Kazakhstan. So this is on Asian side and this is on European side. So this is all the whole basic location of Caspian Sea, and thank you.